Of all the gears you've used and reviewed, what do you still use regularly? Okay, so for microphone, I use Rode Wireless Go 2 regularly. And of Insta360 camera, I actually use these two regularly. If I go like riding bicycle and stuff, these two are enough. Mobile phone gimbal, I actually don't record stuff on mobile phone. Sony Alpha 6400 I've been using for a while, and I don't have intention to actually upgrade it anytime soon. This is good enough for my YouTube videos. Of the drones, I do use Air 2. This is my go-to drone. However, if there's going to be Mini 3 out, I'm going to purchase it, and that's probably going to be my go-to drone. Pocket 2, even though color science, is not as beautiful as, for example, my big camera, I still use it a lot because this one, the microphone, it just makes it so convenient. Because the Rode Wireless Go 2, while it is convenient, still I have to, put the cable in, insert it somewhere, so it's a little less convenient. So outdoor vlogging and speaking, I actually prefer using Pocket 2 because of the microphone. That's the main reason. So I actually use most of my gears that I have.